We got this right here today. This is a laser hair removal machine. I've reviewed some different ones from different brands before, so I can tell you that laser hair removals at home, they absolutely work. It's just a matter of consistency. So let's go ahead and look at everything that's inside.
With this device, if you use it 3 to 4 times a week, you'll see visible hair reduction in just 2 weeks. It uses sapphire ice cooling technology for painless hair removal. It helps prevent burns and irritation, ensuring a nearly painless experience. There are 5 energy levels and 2 flash modes. Auto is for the large areas like arms and legs, and manual for precise on smaller areas such as armpits, bikini line, and face. Safe IPL technology helps to ensure safety and effectiveness for most skin and hair types for both men and women. Refer to the skin safety chart in the manual for optimal use. There is also a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support.
You've got your power button and you've got your modes and stuff right there. This is a cooling one, so it shouldn't hurt or anything like that. It shouldn't hurt anyway, but just a disclaimer. You do need to go ahead and shave wherever you're going to use the machine before use. So whatever area you choose to use your machine, you need to make sure that it is nice and smooth before. So they do provide you a razor to go ahead and shave whatever it is you need to beforehand. I'm already shaved, so I'm good to go. They also provide these glasses, and these are very important because you are using laser. It could damage your eye, so it's very important to wear the glasses as a safety precaution. So let's go ahead and try the machine. So just like that's on, I like the fact that this is incredibly silent. It's not super loud, because I've had some that were really loud, but this is silent. So that is pretty much all you do right here. And just like that, it is off. So as you can see, it's very silent, very quick, quiet, and it is very cold to the touch. This is good for your face as well. I'm not using it on my face because I have makeup on, but you can use it wherever you would like to basically be hairless. And I like to be pretty much hairless everywhere except right here. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Anyways, that is my final thoughts on this. I think it's pretty amazing. I like the shape too. I think this design is kind of unique compared to some of the other ones out there, so I do like that as well. Anyways, go check it out yourself. These are a lot of fun. Go check it out yourself. This one is more on the affordable range for laser hair removal at home, so it is definitely something worth checking out and looking into.